Good morning. We're here today with Sandy Johnson, and she came in to get her brows done, and I thought I have to do her makeup because she hasn't had the full Tim on, and I keep saying to her I'm going to do it really quick. But what I just said is that it's a really quick technique. And with this bone structure, what she just told me is that she doesn't realize the bone structure that she has is so beautiful. And wait until you see the transformation. And so you're going to watch as I chin up and look down into the camera. Chin up, look down into the camera. I'm going to do the first step, look down actually to the floor. There we go. I'm going to set this on your lashes and press it in. Rest and press with the eye definer so that it looks, all we're doing is defining the eyes so that it doesn't look like eyeliner. We don't want it to look like eyeliner, we just want it to define the eyes. And this is the step that takes the longest. And it is the most challenging because people are not used to applying their eye definer, their eyeliner, in this way. And you can actually feel it. Can't you feel it, Sandy?
Mm-hmm.
You can feel it. It's a very sensitive area. It's that little space between the root of your lashes and your lid. And now I'm going to set that with the black matte shadow. A little bit of shadow, blend it into the brush, and go right over that, right on top. And this sets it and it softens it. Just dot and drag, which is a blending technique. Dot and drag. It's a matte black shadow. And this eliminates the need for mascara. So guess what, Sandy? You don't have to wear mascara. Second step is the tinted moisturizer. This is the tinted moisturizer. It has a 20 SPF in it. So I'm putting 2 pumps on the brush. I dab it. And this will even out your skin tone. See how you have like the redness around your eyes? That's going to soften it. It's not going to cover it, but it's going to soften it so it's not as noticeable. And it will start to really bring your eyes out. And yes, we go right over the eyelid.
Wow. It's so easy.
And it really takes less than 5 minutes. And now look at how your bone structure.
I look different already.
That's step 2. And step 3 is the contour powder.
Mm-hmm.
Take a little color on the brush, blend it into the brush. We're going to start on the corners of the forehead. This ovals out the face. And on these beautiful cheekbones, Sandy. Look at those cheekbones. And Sandy's going to see herself,
wow,
as everyone else sees her. The last step is the lip color, the lip stain. And this can be worn light, bright, or barely there. So I'm going to give Sandy a very natural look and do it barely there. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom, a very light coat on the bottom. Mat your lips together. Nice. Yeah, that shows up really beautiful on you.
Wow.
Now I'm going to take a little bit from the applicator, put a little bit on the ball of her cheek. Smile. Perfect. Right on the apple of the cheek. Just like years ago when your grandmother would pinch your cheeks. Now, if it's too bright, take that stipple brush and soften it so that it gives it a very natural look. So it doesn't look like you have blush on.
Right.
And the last part is the lip gloss. And the lip gloss gives it a nice shine, a very moisturized look. Very moisturized, healthy. And this is a healthy, moisturized look. This is you, Sandy. This is you. Are you meeting you for the first time?
Yeah. I mean, that's amazing how simple. It's like 5 minutes.
Right. Yeah. Yes. And now Sandy's going to go get her hair done, and her day is going to be awesome.
Yay. Thank you.
Thank you.